welcome to my channel. Today I am going to test the LM317 Regulator IC. To test this IC, we will need LM317 IC, and 220 ohm resistor, some jumper cables, 10K potentiometer, and a power supply box. Let's start to make it. First, take the LM317 IC and connect the IC to the breadboard. And take and 220 ohm resistors, connect to the breadboard. Take two jumper wires and 220 ohm resistor to pin number 1 of IC, and other end pin to pin number 2 of IC. Now connect input wire to pin number 3 of LM317 IC, and negative wire is connected to the minus pin, and potentiometer's middle pin is connected to pin number 1 of LM317 IC, and output positive wire is connected to middle pin of the LM317 IC. Now turn on the power supply and turn the potentiometer. See, the voltage is increasing. I have given input is 12.5 volts. I can control 1 volt to 12 volt by potentiometer. The project is completed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.